place again, Noble Notary Signing Service. We are in the beautiful, rustic New Smyrna Beach, Florida, leaving an appointment, of course. And we are...
It's cold out.
It's a little, yeah, it's a
chilly.
little cool. So we're just outside City Hall, and our kids actually call this place Parkour Castle, which it is not, but if you're a kid, it makes sense. So today we're going to talk about...
Yeah, 3 things to know before cold calling signing services, which is very important.
Companies.
Or title companies. We've already talked about signing services.
Yeah.
Now we're talking about title companies.
So calling title companies direct, yes. So what do you want to know before calling them? First thing would be call the right ones, okay? So, well, what are the right ones? Are there right ones and wrong ones? Yeah.
Yes.
So the nationwide companies like First American, I'm going to say don't waste your time. Definitely don't put them at the top of your list. Put them at the way bottom. Don't waste your time with them. The right title company to call are mom and pop shops.
Yep.
Right?
You want to look around to your local title companies that most likely do not have in-house notaries, and they're always looking for notaries for their closing.
Absolutely. So they don't have any kind of what we call nationwide brand recognition. So if you recognize the brand name Stewart Title, I could go on and on and on.
Yeah.
Don't bother with them. Just not coming out of the gate. Start with the local ones. Your calls will go a lot further faster with them. So that is one.
Yep,
right?
Number 1. So number 2 is you want to not cold call title companies.
Right. So
yeah, don't cold call. So
nobody
again,
likes to get a cold call. Nobody likes to get something surprised on them when they're busy. So you're better off arranging a call or qualifying a call. The easy way to do that is to send them an introductory email explaining who you are and what you do, and you'd like to discuss rates and working with them.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you get a response from that, you now have a qualified call that you can make, and nobody's time will be wasted.
Yeah, nobody likes, they're busy, they're working, you're interrupting their day. If you're walking in, you're interrupting their day. It's unexpected. So make sure that you're doing the introduction first over email and setting up that time on an appointment slot. So that brings us to number 3, which is very important too, because when you're talking with these title companies, you want to present to them what you have to offer them.
What you can do for them, not let me work for you as a notary, but rather what I can do for you. I can do these after hours for you. I can do them in the hospitals for you. I understand the process, and I can make sure that you look good in this process.
They want to know that you are going to be a professional and you're going to make them look good. So as long as you can present that and follow through with that, then you're golden.
And then as far as scripts for calling, I would say don't be too canned, don't be too robotic with this stuff. People can tell when they're being pitched. So just be yourself, be comfortable. Ask questions, ask them where their need is, what area their need is, or when are they most likely, what times of the year, times of the day, times of the week are they most likely to need the mobile notary service, and what do they look for in a mobile notary? And by all means, they'll just give you the answers to those questions, and then now you have ammunition to feed back at them. So that is it for today. Obviously, real quick video on cold calling. We see and hear notaries that are they're dialing like an insurance salesperson, and I just feel like that's a colossal waste of time. There's a better way to approach this. Approach it like a surgeon, right? And go right in for the good ones.
All right, guys. God bless you.